Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. With all the fresh produce available during summer, I just can't resist to make as many recipes as possible with them. From sweet to savory, I have plenty of dishes to choose from. There's a summer fruit that I buy every year just so I can make several delicious desserts with it. And here's one of them. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Cherries Jubilee. This classic dessert is a great choice to serve when entertaining. Spoon over a creamy vanilla ice cream, this rich and flavorful treat is sure to please your dinner guests. So my friends, let's get cooking.
First, after they are washed, we'll pit the cherries. This is one of my favorite kitchen tools, and it does a great job. You place a cherry, press, and done. See? Nicely pitted. Alright, so when we're done, we'll move on to the stove. In a small saucepan on low heat, we'll add the cherry brandy, and we'll keep it warm until needed. Now let it simmer, okay? Now, in a skillet over medium heat, we'll add raw sugar and cornstarch. Then we'll pour in the milk. We'll whisk the ingredients until well combined, and we'll slowly see the sauce thicken, which is exactly what we want to achieve. So when it gets to that point, we'll add all the cherries, and without cooking them, but just warm them up, we'll gently stir the cherries into the sauce, making sure they are well coated. This shouldn't take more than 3 minutes. Once again, we want them warm, that's all. Next, we'll pour the warm cherry brandy over the cherries. Now, you can either flambe it for about 15 seconds or cook it for about 45 to 60 seconds. No longer than that. We'll remove from the heat and serve immediately over vanilla ice cream. And my friends, this is our Cherries Jubilee. Sweet, tasty, and delightful, this yummy dessert is so quick and easy to make. This elegant dish is a classy way to finish a meal. When those nice dark and delectable pink cherries are in season, don't miss the opportunity to make this amazing dessert. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!